Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to uninstall Python and Python launcher on Windows. First, we need to check if Python and Python launcher is installed in the system. For that, open command prompt, press Windows R, type cmd, enter. Here type Python version. So this command is for checking if Python is installed in the system. Click on enter. So it displays Python with the version. So this confirms that Python is installed in the system. Now to confirm if Python launcher is installed in the system, type py version. So here it gives Python with the version. So this confirms that Python launcher is also installed in the system. Usually when you install Python, both Python and Python launcher get installed by default. Okay. So here you can see that both Python and Python launcher is installed in the system. Okay, so now I will show you two methods to uninstall Python and Python launcher on Windows. So first let us see the first method to uninstall Python and Python launcher, which is by using the Windows settings. For that, open Windows settings, press Windows I. So this will open up Windows settings. Here click on apps, installed apps. Here in search, type Python. So you will see Python and Python launcher coming up. So first uninstall Python. So click on the three dots icon and click uninstall. Uninstall. You will get a security prompt, give yes, and then the uninstallation will start. So now the uninstallation is in progress. So now the uninstallation is successful. Click on close and you can see that Python is removed from here. Now uninstall Python launcher. So click on the three dots, uninstall, uninstall, and then the uninstallation will be complete. So now you can see that Python launcher is also removed. Okay, so this is how we can uninstall Python and Python launcher on Windows from Windows settings. This is one method. So now let us see how to uninstall Python and Python launcher using control panel. For this, press Windows R, type appwiz.cpl. This will open the programs and features of control panel. So here you can see Python and Python launcher is present. So click on Python launcher and press uninstall. Give yes. So this uninstalls Python launcher. It is removed from here. Now click on Python, give uninstall. A security prompt will come up, give yes, and then the uninstallation will start. So it is in progress now. Wait for it to complete. Okay, uninstallation is complete now. Click on close. And here you can see that Python is removed. So this is how you can uninstall Python and Python launcher via control panel. You can follow any one of these two methods. You can either uninstall via Windows settings or by control panel. So now once we are done with the uninstallation, we need to do the cleanup. For this, go to C program files where Python was installed. Here check for Python folder, Python 3.14. This is the folder. This will change according to the version. You can just click on this folder and delete it. So select this folder and press the delete key to delete it. Click on continue. Okay, so now this is deleted. Next, press Windows R. Type app data within percentage and click enter. Here check if Python folder is present. So if it is present, we need to delete it. Here it is not present, so you can leave as it is. Next, click on Windows R and type local app data within percentage. Click enter. Here check if you find Python folder. So here you can see Python folder is present. Just click on the Python folder and press delete key to delete it. So now it is deleted. Also go to programs, Python. So here this as well you need to delete it. So here we can see Python is present. So click on programs and delete Python folder. Select the folder, press the delete key. It is now deleted. So this is how we can do the cleanup post the uninstallation. So now once we are done with the cleanup, we need to verify if Python and Python launcher are uninstalled successfully. For that, go to command prompt, press Windows R, type cmd, click enter. Here type Python version, click enter. So Python is not recognized. So this confirms that Python has been uninstalled successfully. So now to check the Python launcher, type py space version, click on enter. So py is not recognized. So this confirms that Python launcher is also uninstalled successfully. So these are the steps you need to follow to uninstall Python and Python launcher. Do the cleanup post the uninstallation and verify it using the command prompt. I have also prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing a link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.